I think Warren Buffett said, if you play tennis and you aced every serve, after a while you don't want to play tennis because there's no fun. I mean, think of life. Life has to do with solving problems and obstacles. I'll give you an example. A friend of my wife went on a trip, I don't remember exactly where, it was somewhere in Belize or something. And she called my wife, she said, everything was going so smoothly until we took the boat broke down in the middle of the water, and now we just came back and we're stuck. So she was talking to her on the speakerphone. And I said, Alice, to the girl, friend of my wife, I said, now the adventure starts. Yeah. And she goes, oh, I never thought of it this way. I said, now you're going to have fun. You're going to have a story to tell us when you come back. Think of life. If everything is smooth, there's no adventure. Adventure is when you veer off the road a little bit, when there is an obstacle, when there is the broker who is dumb as they come and he tells you, oh, I don't know, I don't think I can put that through. Why? Because Mixif didn't sign. You don't need Mixif's signature. Let me put you in touch with Cherif Medawar. That's what, 10% of the brokers. I'll handle it for you. We'll iron that part.